Hey, don't know what happened. So, you know how we talked about math power that Miss Alana has, and YouTube gets glitches because of our math power. So then the laptop just glitched and just stopped the recording while I was in the middle of recording. The laptop's probably like, oh my gosh, I can't handle all this math and all this awesomeness, but I got it to work. So remember, whenever you struggle with something, you can make it happen. If something blocks you, an obstacle comes in your way, just breathe and think of your solutions and figure it out. So we are working on multiplying numbers using two strategies, the standard algorithm and the area model. We're going to do the standard algorithm first. So while I set up my problem, set yours up. Go ahead and write 378 times 92. All right, make sure that you write it vertically, nice and neat, okay? So first we need to multiply what? Multiply that 2. So we're going to do it together. What is 2 times 8? 16, write the 6 plus 1 up top. And then what's next? 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. Write the 5 plus 1 up top. Bam. And what's next? 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. All right. Are we done? We are done with all that. So we are going to cross it out and put our placeholders. So, you know what? Let me get a different color pen so you can see that. I'll be back. All right, I'm back with a different color so you can see it. So I am done with that too. So look, I'm going to cross it out just like that. I'm going to cross out everything that we carried up top and then put my 0 placeholder just like that, okay? Make sure you do that part. Do that. Do it now. All right, moving on to the next part. Now we multiply that 9 by everything. 9 times 8 is what? You better know your times table. Waiting. 72. Write the 2 plus 7 up top just like that. And then 9 times 7. If you don't know your 9 times table, get your agenda and practice. That's what? 63 plus 7 is, that's so easy. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. That's a 70. So you write your 0 plus 7 up top, just like that. And then 9 times 3 is 9, 18, 27. 27 plus, what do we write? Plus 7. Start at 27, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 34. And now we add. Now make sure that you are writing your multiplication symbol, your addition symbol, and all your digits are lined up, okay? Some of you are not writing simple things that you need to, and your numbers are doing all this. Make it straight. Now let's add. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. 4, bring that down. 3, bring that down. And where does your comma go? 1, 2, 3, comma. All right. 34,776. Is that what you got? I hope so. I hope we're right. Now, how do we check our work? We can check with a calculator, but we can also check when we do the other strategy, the other method, which is the area model. Let's do that one. So remember, we are going to write each number in expanded form. So 378 is what? 300 plus 70 plus 8. Bam. And then 92. You need to write 90 plus 2. Okay? Make sure you write that Or some of you like to draw the boxes first. I like to write the numbers first to make sure I have enough space for the numbers, because sometimes you might write the boxes so tiny and then it doesn't fit. All right, bam. Okay, so do you have that? So it should be a 3 by 2 array. I have 3 columns, 2 rows, because 3 digits, 2 digits. Now let's multiply. So first we start with that 300 times 90. Now pay attention to the zeros, okay? Pay attention to the zeros. It's like doing 3 times 9. What's 3 times 9? 27. And then how many zeros do you see? Look, 1, 2, 3 zeros. So add 3 zeros. I'm going to use a different color since I already have it. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. All right, and then you can put your comma. 27,000. Next, we do 300 times 2. Or you can go that way. I'm just going to go down this way. 300 times 2 is like 3 times 2, which is 6. Then add 2 zeros. So, 6, 2 zeros, bam, just like that. Next, we do 70 times 90. It's like 7 times 9, which is 63. And then how many zeros do you add? You add 2 zeros because 70 has 1 and 90 has 1. 1, 2 zeros, put your comma. So that's 6,300, just like that. And then we do 70 times 2. It's like 7 times 2 is 14. Then add a 0. I'm going to write 14, add a 0. And the next one is what? 8 times 90. So it's like 8 times 9, which is 72. Then add that 0 right there. So write 72, add a 0. Bam, just like that. And the next one, 8 times 2 is 16. No zeros there. All right, are we done? No, we're not done. Now what do you need to do with all the numbers in there? Add them all together. So remember, you can do 2 different strategies. You can add all of the numbers together. You can write them all in a vertical column. Or you can do another strategy by adding that column, that column, that column, and then add those together. Or you can actually even add that plus that, then whatever your answer is, plus that, then plus that, then plus that, then plus that. However you want to add, as long as you get it right. So I am going to just go down each column and add that. So let's do this right here. 27,000 times 600 is what? 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 6, 6. Bring down that 7, bring down that 2. 27,600 right there. And then let's do the next column. 6,300 plus 140, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 4, 3 plus 1, 4. Then bring down that 6, 6,440, just like that. And the last one, 720 plus 16, 0 plus 6 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 2, and then bring down the 7. All right, we're not done. What do we need to do? Add those together. I don't have room. Let me get my scrap paper. If you have scrap paper, make sure you keep up with that. And please, some of you all like the waste paper. Just use that one sheet. Remember, we used this sheet from earlier. Just use that same sheet. Don't waste paper. So I am going to write 27,600 plus 6,440 and 726. Okay? Just like that. Now, like I said, if you want to do the other strategy where you add everything together, that's fine too. 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 4 plus 2 is 6. What? 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 7. 17 plus 1. No. I can already see these numbers are not matching up. Why do I keep messing up on these? 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 6 is 14. Plus 1. And then 3. 34,766. Oh my gosh. That does not match that answer. Okay. So, where did I mess up? Why do I keep messing up on these? It's so weird. So weird. Let's go get our handy dandy calculator. I'm going to get my calculator. Go get your calculator if you need it. All right. Got the calculator. Let me calculate. Oh, do you like our new fancy calculators? Ooh, purple. Yes, I love this color. We have the orange ones, the blue ones, the green ones, and the purple ones. Make sure that you take care of those when we use them in class. If you want your own calculator, you could just go to the dollar store. It's only $1. You can use your own allowance or ask your parent. I'm sure they'll give you $1. And then plus you need tax, right? So it's probably like $1.07. Let me 378 times 92 equals 34,776. So since I saw that, which answer does that match? That first one. So that means that first one, the standard algorithm is correct, and the second one is wrong. Why do I keep messing up on this one? What? I am not an expert at this area model. Let me double check. Let me see. And so what I'm going to do now is I am going to multiply each one to make sure that what I have in the boxes is right. So 300 times 90. All right, 27,000. So that's right. The next one is what? 300 times 300 times 2. 600. That's right. And the next one, 70 times 90. 6,300. Got that right. The next one is 70 times 2. 140. Okay, that's right. So, 90 times 8. 720. That's right. 8 times 2. 6. All right, so that's right. Everything in the boxes are right. Let me add down the row. So was that first one? 27,000 plus 600. What? No. I didn't even type that right. 27,000 plus. Is that you calling me on the phone to help me? Plus 600. No, that's someone at the school. 3,000. Let me get that. Miss Alana. Hey. Okay, I'll be there in a second. You're welcome. They need me for some Spanish translation. But let me finish this. I tell them let me finish this real quick. All right. So let me try that again. 27,000 plus 600 equals 27,600. So that's right. 6,300 plus 140. 6,440. That's right. What's going on here? 720 plus 16. That's where I messed up. Look, 736. So look right here. See? Look. That's where I messed up. 0 plus. See what happens when you don't line them up? I messed up. Make sure yours are lined up, okay? 0 plus 6 is 6. And then that 2 plus 1 is 3. Thank you, calculator, for helping me find my mistake so I can go fix that. 736. So, bam. I change it to 736. Let me change it on this paper. 736. So now I can add 006 is 6, and then 4 plus 3. There's the 7 right there. Right there. Oh my gosh. Why do I need to practice this this method more. If you keep messing up on some standard or a certain type of problem, make sure you practice those. It's like that almost made me sweat, but I'm not worried about it. It is time to release the math beast in me to make me do better next time, help you do better next time, and I need a lot of awesome sprinkles for this one. Give me some awesome sprinkles. I need more. Thank you. Here's some awesome sprinkles for you because you probably did that right and I did it wrong. So here's to you, and I love you, and we are moving on to the next one. See you.